Alright, we out with Brian today. My boy Brian gonna catch a new PB today. That's what we out here to see. But I blew a bearing in this car yesterday, so I'm out here to test it. But I did bring the GPS just to see what it does. On drag gearing at least. Hopefully that wheelie bar don't mess me up. I'm gonna get a quick pull because I see a car coming. I seen a car coming. I had to get that puller, see what it did. Running better after she blew that bearing. Yeah, it was. It's 68. Yeah, I definitely got to make this faster. Hopefully I seen somebody coming in the road. I ain't want to get hit, but it did 68. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. See what it do on the drag strip. Let me correct that trim there, and we'll catch Brian's run. Alright, that seems better. See what it does. Yeah, she back, baby. It's only hitting 68, but
yeah, bro,
that's just a warm up.
Set up the drag.
Yeah. Just the warm up. We're gonna get it right. To the left. Let me fix this trim. Do got a few other rigs I'm gonna test too as well. Let's see what happens. Yeah, and it needs some more power for sure. What you using, that GNSS thing?
No, I always have that app on my phone that I use.
I got GPSs if you need it. I did 68 that time. I got 2 GPSs.
Yeah, I might throw one in because...
Yeah, here, take this one just in case you do hit a PB. No, that wasn't that.
Making it think.
Pull it to the... Still,
Yeah, that thing was hitting straight before.
right? I see what it is. Make it work from there. All right, so it was on the wheelie. It's on the wheelie bar right now. Hold on, Benji. I'm getting a hit in.
Better, but it's still...
I just got to do some adjustments to the suspension itself.
Yeah.
But yo, Benji, talk to me.